Yes.
Were you happy?
Yes, I was happy.
Wow, baby. And your mom? Were you happy that your whole family is here?
Yes.
Ne?
Yes, I did see him, and then I said, I want to say thanks for the surprise.
Oh, baby! Oh, come hug Auntie Snaz. Molweni sanmonani, namkelekile nanke kwezi be entertainment. Yo guys, shame. I do want to say before ndingene kule video, nindincedile izolo ebusuku nathi vuka ntombazana sebenza. Ntombazana vuka because shame ziyatrenda izinto endizipostile about ke i-6th birthday kaMhlophekazi, both up on YouTube as well as on Facebook. So thank you so much guys for pushing me. Anyways, ke nazi iclips ndibuyile kwakhona and ndizosharisha these beautiful moments of uMhlophekazi. Siyazi ba ke uMhlophekazi and utata wakhe kuNguPhumelelo Mseleko kudala bagqibelana guys because of the ongoing misunderstandings between ke uVuyokazi and the father. But umntana ke ebezifunela utata wakhe, as nani nimva into ba she is so excited for the surprise uba usurprise ngutata wakhe ngebirthday yakhe, ebengafuni nokufuna uba amehlise when he was trying to pick him up. Okay, and of course I also did see utatomkhulu wakhe ke ekungutata uMseleko. People have been saying yo most definitely uzoposta ezi pictures uMseleko, siyamazi ba ungumuntu onjani, siyamazi ba how much he loves uVuyokazi and the kids. But this is the only picture he has posted, meaning that mhlawumbe the what do you call them, the professional pictures uVuyokazi akazifumani because akakaposti as yet. NoMpumelelo ke ayikho ke naye into asayipostile from his side. The only person who has been updating us, and I'm so grateful for her, is uSnazo ke sana, the owner of iMabellion Deco Company. So nguye ke ebedecoratela uMhlophekazi. So these are the clips ke esizifuma sihambe sithatha sana, sihambe sidibanisa. But thank you guys so much. And nanku ke uMpumelelo nomntanakhe noTatomseleko ke seyipostile screenshot. And yeah, I guess everyone is happy guys. We're not gonna take any negative comments. We're not gonna take bashing of utata womntana ekungumpumelelo or the bashing of utatomkhulu for posting umzukulu wakhe, and for uMpumelelo when he does post ke umntanakhe for posting umntanakhe. So yeah guys, nazo ke indaba zehora, your thoughts ndiyacela mas engage and is on shortly. Bye guys.